Hey there, homeowners! Are you planning to build a home in Ongata-Rongai, Kazarian, Ngong, or Kitengela? These areas are known for their black cotton soil, which can present unique challenges for construction. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process to ensure a strong and stable home. First things first, comprehensive site assessment and soil testing. Our process kicks off with a detailed site assessment. We conduct thorough geotechnical tests to analyze the soil's composition, moisture content, and the depth of the expansive layer. This is crucial for understanding the soil behavior and informing our foundation design. In places like Kitengela and Ongata-Rongai, black cotton soil can extend several meters deep. Our expert team evaluates these conditions carefully to guarantee your home is built on a solid and secure base. Next up, ground preparation and soil stabilization. To manage the soil's tendency to expand and shrink, we start by excavating the unstable top layers. In areas such as Ngong and Kazarian, we typically excavate to a depth of 1.5 to 3 meters, removing the highly expansive soil. The excavated area is then replaced with more stable materials like compacted muram or coarse sand. This creates a firm, stable base that reduces the risks of foundation movement, ensuring the longevity of your home. Now let's talk about specialized foundation techniques. We apply advanced foundation systems to prevent structural damage caused by soil movement. Depending on the specific site conditions, we use one of the following specialized foundations. Raft foundation involves laying a large reinforced concrete slab that covers the entire base of the home, distributing the building's weight evenly. Pile foundation involves driving concrete or steel piles through the unstable soil layers down to a more solid stratum. Strip foundation with ground beams uses reinforced concrete strips beneath load-bearing walls, combined with interconnected ground beams to increase structural integrity. We select the most suitable foundation type based on your location and soil conditions, ensuring the structural integrity and safety of your home. Moisture control and drainage solutions are also crucial. We implement comprehensive drainage systems to divert water away from your foundation. This includes French drains, which are gravel-filled trenches with perforated pipes, and proper grading to slope the land around your home. Moisture barriers are also used beneath the foundation to prevent moisture from reaching and affecting the soil. These measures are especially important in areas like Ngong and Kitengela, where seasonal rains can significantly impact soil stability. High-quality construction materials and techniques are a must. We use only premium-grade materials to enhance the durability of homes built on black cotton soil. Reinforced concrete with high-tensile steel provides added strength, while expansion joints accommodate minor soil movements without causing cracks. Our construction team adheres to the highest industry standards to deliver a home that is both resilient and aesthetically pleasing. Finally, ongoing monitoring and maintenance. Our commitment to quality extends beyond construction. We provide post-construction support and guidance on how to maintain your home effectively. Regular inspection of drainage systems and addressing any minor cracks promptly ensures your home remains safe and secure for years to come. So why choose us? In Ongata-Rongai, Kazarian, Ngong, and Kitengela, our reputation for excellence is built on years of experience and successful projects. By partnering with us, you can rest assured that your home will be built with precision, care, and the best engineering practices to withstand the unique conditions of black cotton soil. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you build the home of your dreams.